Here's how to change your email address on your TikTok account. So go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device and log into your specific account where you want to change your TikTok email address. Now tap on Profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select the three lines in the top right. Then select Settings and Privacy. From this page, tap on Account. Here, select Account Information. Now, on this page, you'll get the option of email that is between phone number and date of birth. Go ahead and select email. Now, you'll get the option of change email address and unlink email address. Go ahead and select change email address. Now, enter a new email address that you want to associate with your account. Tap on continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Also, enter the correct password of your TikTok account, and you'll be able to change your email on TikTok. And you can also choose if you want to keep your previous email or unbind that email from your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.